Last month, I was visiting Florida and ran into two things I didn't know existed. The first was beach markets. Think of it as a cross between a flea and a farmer's market. These pop-up markets host everything from kettle corn stands and fresh produce to jewelry and handmade clothing. But one of these stalls called my name. You guessed it, a hot sauce booth. What was there was a few different bottles of hot sauce, a bowl of chips, and two guys who called themselves the Saucy Guys. Well, good afternoon, gentlemen. I'm glad to be back doing more sauce reviews. Got a few good ones coming down the pipe, too. Naturally, I had to try all the sauces that they gave me there at the beach market, and I've picked a couple of my favorites. The one I have to review today is Saucy Guys Serrano pepper sauce. This sauce packs a medium heat with a large amount of flavor. From the first taste, the layers of flavor begin to unfold. The fresh garlic, vinegar, onions, and the Serrano pepper hit your palate and wash over your senses. But the flavor isn't done yet. The finish on this sauce ends with a hint of fresh ginger and black pepper. Oh yeah, it's that good. Now, the Saucy Guys don't want your use of their hot sauce to begin and end as a chip dip. And it shouldn't. There's a lot of flavor in this bottle. For this particular hot sauce, they suggest pairing this pepper sauce with roasted fowl or game, any seafood, and grilled meats from ballpark hot dogs to stack burgers. None of these ideas are bad ones. This is such a well-rounded hot sauce that it will add to many foods. So, are the Saucy Guys a company that you're familiar with? Have you tried out their hot sauce? You can head straight to their website at www.saucyguys.com to browse their shop. And I'll be doing more reviews of their products in the future. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, carry on, gentlemen.